We are standing in front of our ROBA FENTECH. That is a machine for single piece produced window and door parts. Yeah. The main advantage of this machine is that we are not using any measurements, no caliper, no programming, no setup of the machine, because the machine has a scanner in front of the machine. The scanner is scanning the part shape, not identifying the part itself, relating it to a program. It's simply recognizing the part shape. An algorithm, a very smart algorithm in the back, is calculating the aggregate positions. The aggregates move into position, the part will be sanded. In this case, we will show now the parts will come back to the operator for one personnel operation. And that means you can fill the machine with any parts. You see the variation here. We have here from wide parts to window sash parts to smaller parts. We have all variations, and I will show you now that this machine is capable to do all parts without any setup.
It's including the strips?
Including the strips, everything. Beds, we do everything. The main point of this machine is that we use the glass rabbit area for the transport. We have a vacuum transport, and we suck the parts in the glass frame area, because the glass frame area does not need to be sanded, because the glass is installed. Yeah. So we transport the parts always like this, visible sides, left and right. The competition is doing it like this, but doing like this means that you have to gap the transport system for the bottom aggregate. And doing like this, creating a gap in the bottom aggregate, you have limits for the shortest workpiece. And we don't have any limits for shortest workpiece, because we use the rabbit area for the glass to suck them on the vacuum transport, and even these parts do not make any problem for us. That is the main advantage. So two things: we scan the parts, no setup needed, no top pressure ruler, no aggregate influence, no programming, nothing beside. I need to reset the machine, start it. First part, a window sash part. Now the scanning takes place, blink, 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 it's flashing. No parts to enter, red light. Part coming back, and the part is sanded. That is the main point. That is one of the options we offer, because 95% of our customers like the return of the parts, because then they are able to operate the machine only with one person, with one operator. For high volumes, you have the option to turn off the return. Then the parts going through. Then you are able to do more parts. And you scan the first part, turn off the laser, and then you do one after the other. Yeltwin, the world's biggest window producer, asked us to reconstruct this machine to do 8,500 parts per shift. Yeah. So we reconstructed this machine, and that is now our new standard. But 95% are using the return. Now I show a very small part, totally different to this, totally different. Place it, scan it, sand it. Also another one. That's the door. That's the door part. Very wide, very heavy. And now the algorithm knows that the part is wider than the brush. Then the brush moves to the front, and on the way back it's sanding. So explain again. This part is wider than the top sanding brush, but the algorithm detects this. Then we in the first pass we do this side. The top head is moving to the left and doing the missing part. So the algorithm is very smart, and every part we are doing here, no measurement.